We'll guide you through how to assign tasks in Trello. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to assign tasks clearly and manage team responsibilities in Trello. To begin this tutorial, open your browser on your computer. Then go to Trello.com by typing the website address into the address bar and pressing Enter on your keyboard. After the website loads, open the board you want to use so you can manage your tasks in the correct workspace. Make sure you already have a card created, for example similar to the video, so you can follow the steps properly and apply the checklist feature to an existing task. Next, click on the card to open its detailed view and access additional options. Inside the card, select Checklist so you can create a list of tasks that need to be completed. Enter the checklist title according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so the checklist is clearly identified. Then click Add to create the checklist inside the card. After that, add an item according to your needs, for example type scripting, to represent a specific task that needs to be completed. Next, click Assign to assign the task to a specific board member. Choose the board member you want to assign, for example similar to the video, so the responsibility is clearly defined. If needed, click Due Date to set a deadline for the task. Change the due date according to your needs so the task has a clear timeline. Adjust the time according to your needs to make the deadline more precise. If needed, set a due date reminder according to your needs, for example similar to the video, so you or the assigned member will receive a notification before the deadline. After setting everything, click Save to apply the due date and reminder settings. Then click Add to create the checklist item with the assigned member and due date that you have set. Now you have successfully assigned the task, and it will appear in the checklist with all the details included. If needed, repeat the same steps to assign more tasks, for example similar to the video, so you can manage multiple responsibilities within the same card efficiently.